Do you remember what we used to do before when we wanted to publish our DriveWorks project to the web? We had to edit the configuration files, set parameters manually, and sometimes even troubleshooting IIS mapping issues. Well, that's over now. In the latest version of DriveWorks 23, publishing your DriveWorks project is now straightforward, clean, and even can take only less than 1 minute. Let me show you this on my laptop. What do we need to publish a DriveWorks project to the web? There are just two main requirements you need to put that on your mind. First, your computer must act as a web server. Second, you need a way for your DriveWorks project to send and receive information over the web. Let's go step by step. Making your laptop act as a web server. We need to enable something called IIS, Internet Information Services, and this is a built-in Windows feature that allows your PC to host and serve web applications. So when we activate IIS, we are simply telling the Windows this machine is now allowed to function as a web server. Number two, allowing communication between the web and the DriveWorks. To handle all the sending and receiving of data, we just need to install DriveWorks Live, of course, then set up the integration theme for your group. That's it. Once this done, DriveWorks automatically provide the web API, this is a communication layer, and client SDK, and the projects become accessible in a web browser. After enabling IIS and selecting integration theme, just press start, then open browser, and your project is live on the web. No manual configuration file edits, no complicated networking setup, just publish and run. That's it. Let's see this step by step together now. So first of all, I've already installed DriveWorks Live, as you can see here. Let's search for it. Yes, this is DriveWorks Live 23. The next step is to confirm that IIS, Internet Information Services, is enabled on my Windows system. And to do that, I will open the Windows Features dialog. Simply type Turn Windows Features on or off. In the search bar, you will find it. Now, I will scroll down and look for Internet Information Services. As you can see, it's already enabled on my PC. Make sure you also enable the following options: Web Management Tools, World Wide Web Services. Once these are selected, click OK and Windows will apply these settings. Let's open DriveWorks Administrator to show you what this project looks like. This is a project that I want to publish. As you can see, it's a clean and professional configurator, and this is the exact project I will be publishing online. Next, I will open DriveWorks Live. Before proceeding, just make sure that IIS is enabled, because if IIS is not active, you will see an error message here. If that happens, simply go back and enable it from the Windows features, as we did earlier. Let's move forward to the theme integration. Click Next. You will be asked to select the directory of your group. I'll browse to the folder that contains my project and select it. The reason we do this step is that installing the integration themes adds additional files to your group folder. So it's important to point to the correct folder location. Once you have selected it, click Finish, and that's it. Now let's click on Start, and you will see your project now on live. We will keep the admin user with no password for this demo, and just like that, you can now use your DriveWorks Live project smoothly, accurately, and very fast without any complicated setup as we used before. And that's it. It took around 1 minute from me to publish my DriveWorks project to the web. As you can see, in DriveWorks 23 makes publishing your DriveWorks project much easier than before. Quick, clean, and efficient. See you later.